Kalau sesudah dalam publikasi yang kita lakukan, yang kita bagi dengan ini.
The Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization, or the HITO, submitted a petition today to the Deputy Inspector of Forests, LG Im Yong, seeking clarification on the delayed actions against cement companies operating in East Jaintia Hills. HITO President Donbok Dakhar stated that the joint inspection team, formed under a Supreme Court detective, found that nearly 50% of the land under 9 cement plants in Meghalaya is classified as forests. He noted that no actions have been taken against these factories based on the GIT's findings and emphasized the urgent need for intervention to protect the environment and communities affected by industrial activities.
Haka jingi kundu dari sini kumong itu kila omba tahu badi ban peje kene dan tour sepok Mizoram te hadir nang tun lawan te kin kin talk but maki lagi speed ban pak ban por sepok Delhi te ngin apsha atau kan nasi te la da kifel te mba pitip ini di pressure group ngin sim hi ki lat klenti pala dai kabadai